Okay, what's new in May 2021 in Qlik SaaS? We've got the ability to change the locale settings. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new analytics app, and we're going to call this default. Go ahead and create that. And what you should be able to see is once we get to the script load editor, is that the settings are set for EN US, so the US settings there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to change the settings for myself. So if I go into, click on my user icon there, go into the profile settings, you can see here I've got my ability to change my preferred language and time zones, which I've already set, and also change this to be English United Kingdom. There are a lot of different Englishes in there, so you might be best just searching on United Kingdom if that's what settings you're interested in. Next, we'll just go back to the hub. We'll create a new app here now, and we'll go ahead and call this ENGB because that's what we hope it to be. And these settings should stay and persist for all future apps and sessions. If we go into settings here, you can see that we've got the default settings for English Great Britain there as well. So all good, perfect. We've been needing that for a while, so that's a good addition to May 2021.